Welcome to Focus English with Cece.
I'm a bit scared the stylist might give me some crazy hairstyle. Then you'll walk out with a brand new style and maybe even start a trend. I'm worried they'll make me look 10 years older. Older? No way. They'll make you look smart, elegant, like a real boss. A boss? You always make jokes, but I'm really nervous. And I'm really serious. Trust me, Cece. You'll feel amazing after. That's exactly how nervous I felt. One simple haircut turned into 1,000 worries in my head. My hair was messy, the party was tonight, and I didn't know if I should laugh or cry. But what happened next at the beauty center completely changed my day and my confidence. And here's why you should stay with me. From this funny conversation, you'll pick up useful English words and easy sentence patterns that you can use in real life. So, don't go anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll not only enjoy the story but also speak English with more confidence. Oh, no. My hair looks terrible. What? Your hair looks fine. No, look at it. It's messy. It's too long. Maybe a little. What's the problem? There's a big party tonight. I can't go like this. It's a hair disaster. Relax, Cece. Don't panic. You just need a little help. I need a miracle. I feel so ugly today. You are not ugly. You're beautiful. Your hair just needs a quick fix. It looks like a bird's nest. What should I do? Easy. Let's go to the beauty center. The beauty center? Are you sure? Yes. A haircut, a wash, maybe a new style. It will be fun. But Lucy, I've never been to a beauty center before. What if I don't know what to do? Don't worry, it's simple. You sit down, relax, and they'll take care of everything. Imagine if we have to wait for hours. That would drive me crazy. Then we'll just sit, talk, and enjoy some coffee. Waiting can still be fun when we're together. True. I guess waiting with you isn't so bad. I'm a bit scared the stylist might give me some crazy hairstyle. Then you'll walk out with a brand new style and maybe even start a trend. I'm worried they'll make me look 10 years older. Older? No way. They'll make you look smart, elegant, like a real boss. A boss? You always make jokes, but I'm really nervous. And I'm really serious. Trust me, Cece. You'll feel amazing after. What if it's too expensive? I don't have much money today. Then we'll ask the price first. It's always okay to ask. And suppose I walk out looking like a totally new person. Not even me anymore. Then it's perfect. A new look, a fresh start. Sometimes change is exactly what we need.
Hello. What do you need today?
I just want a quick trim, nothing big.
Sure. And you?
I want a haircut, please.
No problem. First time here?
Yes, first time ever.
Don't worry. We'll take good care of you.
Lucy, is it too late to run? Yes, CC. You're officially in the hair zone now. Hair zone? That sounds dangerous. Only if you fight the scissors. Okay, fine. I surrender. But gently, please. So, Cece, first time getting your hair done here? Yes. And honestly, I'm nervous. Please, no pineapple head today. Don't worry, pineapples are out of style. Mango head is the new trend. Wait, what? Mango head? That sounds even worse. I'm joking. Relax. You'll leave here looking amazing. Okay, but please go slow with the scissors. They sound dangerous. They're just little tools of magic. Snip, snip, and the old you disappears. I don't want to disappear. Just look a little less like a bird's nest. Deal. Goodbye, bird's nest. Hello, shining star. You talk like a magician. Hair is magic. One good haircut can change someone's whole day. Well, I hope today is my lucky day. Trust me, you'll walk out smiling. Oh no, that was a big cut. Am I still okay? Don't panic. That was just one naughty hair. We had to let it go. Poor hair. Rest in peace. Don't worry. Its brothers and sisters are still here. All done. Ready to see your new look? Am I ready? Okay. Wow. Is that me? Yes, it's you. You look amazing. My hair is soft and shiny. I feel confident now. Told you. New hair, new power. You're right. I'm glad I came. Now, let's stop here for a moment. In this story, you heard many useful sentences. Let's learn the key vocabulary and sentence patterns together so you can use them in your daily English. Messy, meaning not neat, not tidy. Disaster, meaning a big problem, something very bad. Trim, meaning to cut something a little to make it neat. Confident, meaning sure about yourself, feeling strong. Miracle, meaning something wonderful that seems impossible. Stylish, meaning fashionable, looking good. Nervous, meaning worried or afraid about something. Shiny, meaning bright, smooth, and reflecting light. Laugh at, meaning to make fun of someone. Take care of, meaning to look after someone or something. I want plus noun verb, please. Meaning Use this polite pattern to ask for something. What if plus clause? Meaning, use to ask about a possible problem or situation. Don't worry. Meaning, use to calm someone down. I feel plus adjective. Meaning, use to describe your feelings. I'm glad plus clause. Meaning, use to show happiness or relief about something. That's our funny trip to the beauty center. Now tell me, which vocabulary and patterns did you learn from today's conversation? Share your answers in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep learning, keep smiling. See you in the next video.